All right, YouTube. This is a sad day for the Honda CRB650R 2019 because today I plan on trading the bike in for a different style bike. So before I do that, let me kind of go over some of the things that I've done to the bike since I've owned it. Obviously, you guys can see some of the primary things I've done. So I installed some lever guards onto the bike. I got these off of eBay. There's a video for this. The link is in the description for where I got it from and how much it cost. I also got some ASV shorty levers, which match this bike a lot. I really like the way these look. I got some GP dual density grips for this bike as well. And also I lowered the clip-on to put the bike at a more aggressive angle. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to raise this back up into this hole. I'm going to put this back where it goes and then put it back how it's supposed to go. I also got a phone mount. I got this. This is a RAM mount replica. Got it off of Amazon. I also got the integrated mirrors with turn signals, which is really, really cool. I got these Honda badges. These are the leader bike Honda badges. Any Honda CBR 1000RR has these on the tank pads. You get these, you put them on, you're good to go. I also got steel braided lines for front and back, as you can see. Both sides are here. I got the tank grips off of Amazon. These are actually two different types of material. This is stomp grip, and this is more of that snake skin grip. This rear cowl I got off of eBay, which I plan on putting back to OEM. The integrated turn signal tail light, you guys seen the video on that one. As you guys can see, I have the steel braided rear brake line as well. I got these carbon fiber engine covers on the bike, and obviously you guys can see I have the Akrapovic exhaust system installed on the bike. That looks pretty cool. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bike back to factory as much as I can. So let me show you guys a little bit of what I'm going to do. Quick time lapse. I'm going to put back the OEM exhaust, which I never sold. Like I told you, I never sell anything because I always think that I'm going to resell the bike one day. I have the OEM battery, which is in this box, and I'm going to take out the anti-gravity battery for the next bike. I have the OEM windscreen, the OEM levers, and then the OEM cowl rear pillion seat. So I'm going to put all this back on the bike today, and I'm going to take it to the nearest motorcycle shop to see what the bike is worth, and then I'll be able to get a new bike today, hopefully. So stay tuned, guys, and let's have some fun.